You're welcome to today's analysis, and of course, today is the 11th of March 2026. So, is it actually Wednesday, or is it Wednesday or Wednesday? Wednesday. Anyone just all I know is the third, is the middle of the week. Okay. So let's just go straight to the analysis. Of course, before we come back to the technical aspects, we first of all check out the fundamentals. I think today we should be expecting CPI. Yes, good. So by 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time, we are expecting CPI. Please take notes, 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So ensure you adjust the time to your own local time. But in Nigeria, by 1:30 p.m., we are expecting CPI news to come out. So still expecting news by 1:30 p.m. So that I think now you still have a lot of time before that CPM news comes up. Now let's start with the pound dollar, of which we actually took a buy yesterday. Then when we took this buy, it actually go to this level. We took the buy from here, from somewhere around there. Those of that watches the analysis. Then when it got to this level, I moved my stop loss from where it was around here. I moved it to this level. Then after this pullback actually took me out. Like not really negative, but was I think in profit, but just minor profit. Because actually I entered from here, then it took me out somewhere around this level. That was a bit of minor profit. Then again this morning I entered here again. Remember I'm still waiting for the market above here. So I'm very much looking at the pound dollars. I entered again somewhere around there. My stop loss still at this level. So let's see how it goes today. So if we don't want to join, that's going to be the next question. Can you join? Actually, joining the market right here now is actually going to be a bit late because remember, the market can actually choose to come and retest this level before we to continue moving bullish. So you're saying you're ready to join it here, then put your stop loss here. Otherwise, I will suggest just let the market go until get to this level again, where you have this double top around here. Then if you get to this level, then see the market moving out of this zone, they can actually go long again. I think that's clear enough. Remember, I said don't enter yourself is pulled back again to this level. So another chance for you to enter is the market wants to break above this, trade above this, they can actually go long and then put your stop loss below it. But me, I will put my stop loss on where it is currently to this level if that also happens. Alright, so that's that for pound dollar. So let's go to the next one, which is BTCUSD. And please take note, 1:30 p.m. We are expecting we are expecting CPI news in Nigeria. Alright, so let's go to BTC. Alright. So on BTCUSD, we are currently still bullish. I told you anything above this level is actually bullish. So yesterday we didn't really take any trade on BTC yesterday, but then today I actually went long again this level. I told you I love it when I'm long on all my pair. I think my long was actually somewhere around somewhere around here. But it was when it closed above here. I think this was the market actually took me long. This market. Yeah, I think my stop was below this. I targeted this below this was when I put my stop loss. Then my take profit actually opened. Then remember I usually tell you that minimum of 1 is to 6 to reward which is actually okay. But for me, I do use take profit. I let take profit open where my stop loss is actually at this level. So if you want to go in, you can actually still go in, see have a long way to go. Even if you're going in, you actually be going in a little below my own net. My own net is actually so you actually still go in, then put your stop loss at this level. So let's see how the market wants. Remember, it was not able to break below it at this level, at this level, at this level, at this level, and currently there again. So if the market happens to go below it, that means you have chances of the market to still continue moving bearish. But then, of which I don't expect that. Remember, it can happen. So if you're going long, your stop loss will be at this level, and your take profit can actually be open, just the way mine is, or you can put it 1 is to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, that's let's go to the final one, which is XAU, popularly called gold. All right. Gold actually, I went long. Almost the same that happened on pound actually happened again on gold. Gold yesterday actually went long on gold. I think I went long. My long tape was actually somewhere around this level. Then the market went up in my direction. Then all of a sudden, this spike actually hit my stop loss because I think this was where I went long. Yeah, somewhere here. Then my stop loss was somewhere around this level. Then this spike came down and took me out before the market currently moving in my direction. Then currently, I'm also still in another buy again on gold. I think which like I think it was somewhere around there too. So I think because when I entered that of pound was when I entered the same one, and then my stop loss is actually below this. So then my stop loss was not below this previous one. Then my take profit is also open there. They can target 1 is to 2 weeks to reward ratio. This is also my entry on XAUUSD. Of course, remember I told you I'm still very much bullish. Except the market happens to start showing bearish signal, I'll continue being bullish. So that's it. That's going to be the end of the analysis for today. Remember, we do this every single day. So if today is the first time coming across my video, you're welcome. All we do is every single day is drop analysis on what you're expecting on each market day as day trader. Remember, we don't just do on the Forex market, we also do on synthetic markets. So if you haven't watched that, you can watch the next video, which is going to be on synthetic. That said, I wish you a profitable day trade ahead. So please ensure you stay safe, you trade safe, and please don't risk more than you can afford to lose.